my name is Jeannie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk to you about a bicolor RGB light that I just got last week. It's from a company called Ulanzi and the name of the light is called Vijim VL196. Before I do this quick unboxing and review, I would like to mention that Ulanzi was kind enough to send me this light. Nevertheless, my review will be completely unbiased and honest as usually. So let me show you this box. This is the nice, beautiful Vijim VL196 box. And here on the side we have a few information. So I will read them to you right now. The operating voltage of the light is 7.4 volts. The illumination angle is 120 degrees. Color temperature ranging from 2500 to 9000 Kelvin, which is a pretty broad range. It's great. The battery capacity is 3000 milliamp hour and it charges with a USB-C type cable. So let's open this box together. So here we have the light packed in a plastic bag. Protective foam. Very nice. You can see here. Very nice light. Nice little rainbow with numbers. It's not too heavy. I think it has a aluminum finish, but it's not, I don't think it's fully aluminum. It's pretty light. It has a nice diffusion panel here in the front to soften the light, so it's pretty good. And here is the USB-C port to charge the light. And to turn it on, it's here on the side. There's a little button, so we'll press it for maybe like 2 seconds. It's already in fireworks mode. So let's see. Okay, so if you press twice, it's like the mode button. So you can adjust, you have 2 wheels here on the side as well to adjust the intensity of your color and to pick the color you want. You can also go into the bicolor mode to have a white light, either daylight mode or tungsten light, as you wish. So let's keep unboxing this light. Let's see what else we have here in the box. Oh, so this is pretty nice. We have a little adapter for the cold shoe mount to screw, a 1/4 inch screw to put on the light right here, like this. And then you put this here directly on top of your camera, or if you have an adapter you can put it on a tripod, or I think you can just actually, yeah, you can just screw this here on a tripod. And you have the knob here on the side to adjust the angle you want to have. If you want to have the light facing upwards like this, or downwards, or to the side, it's up to you. So this is pretty good accessory to have, and it comes with the light for free. You also have the USB-C type cable for fast charging, and the big surprise is the honeycomb grid that comes with the light. So you put this just on top of your light like this. This is really great. You get a very nice focus light with this. So if you turn on the light, the grid, the holes in the grid are exactly, they fit exactly with each little beads of light in there. So it makes it very nice and very focused light if you want to use it as a fill light on the side. But it's not with the honeycomb grid, it's not gonna spill, the light is not gonna spill everywhere. It's gonna be a lot more focused on your subject. So this is a really great addition. And normally when you buy that kind of light, you always have to buy the accessories, to pay extra money for the accessories. And with this model, the Vijim VL196, this accessory comes with it, so it's a pretty great bonus. And we even have on top of this an amazing diffuser. I cannot believe this silicone diffuser. So this one also we can put on the side on top of it like this. And even with the diffuser, we still have access to all of our buttons and dials on the side, which is pretty great. And also we still have access to the hole for the 1/4" screw that you can attach to your light, as we did before. So you just put this like this, and you have the USB-C type port right here accessible too. So this is amazing. And actually a diffuser is used to, as the name says it, to diffuse the light. So it's a lot less harsh as a light. If you put it like this, you see, it's a very nice and soft light. So now you can see it with the diffuser on, and let's try it without the diffuser. If you see, it's a lot brighter, a lot harsher. Let's put back the diffuser on just like this, and it softens the light quite a bit. So it's a very nice accessory that they put in the box. This light is absolutely amazing for only $56. As I said, it comes with great accessories. The diffuser right here, silicone diffuser, silicone honeycomb grid that comes with it. Very nice to help angle more your fill light on your subjects, to sculpt the light a lot better. It's a very nice option. The little adapter here to put on your camera, and also the fast charging USB-C cable. All of this for $56. Seriously, you will not find anything cheaper than that. For those of you who have been following my channel, a few weeks ago I did another review of the Leo Fast Rainbow Fresh, and I thought at the time that this was the cheapest RGB light bicolor that you could find on the market. And now I'm very surprised to see there's another one even better and for a few dollars cheaper. So if you hesitate between the two of them, I would definitely recommend the Ulanzi for the rainbow here, that helps you pick your colors. For the build quality, this one is a little bit heavier, and I like the design better. And I would say that the menu is a lot more intuitive on this one. I really like that we have dials here to pick the colors. You have the select button, the mode button, with all of the special effect mode, the police car lights, the lightning, the TV mode, which are always very good to have if you want to make special effects in your videos. It's always very nice. And all in all, I prefer a lot more this one, the build quality as well, and the intuitive menu. So if you hesitate between the two of them, the Leo Fast Rainbow Fresh or the Vijim VL196, I would definitely recommend you the VL196 from Vijim. As today, I just checked on Amazon, and you know, it comes and goes on Amazon, so it's not always like, you know, sometimes you have to wait a little bit more to get the product you want at the price you want. Lately it was at $56, and now today I just checked and it was like $150 from some sellers, you know. So if you wait just a little bit and you check from time to time, you will definitely find it for $56. You can also buy it on the Ulanzi site. So as a conclusion, what I would say is that if you are on a budget and you want the absolute best RGB light under $100, I definitely recommend this one here. Very nice build quality, very intuitive. It's great. Seriously, for the price, it's really great. I will put an Amazon link down below for you if ever you're interested in buying this light. So thank you for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all or comments, please write them just down below and I will be very happy to read you. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.